In front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers on this device. You need to begin by opening device's settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Tablet section at the bottom. Now scroll all the way down again and tap on Emergency Information at the bottom left corner. Finally, hit Add Contact located under Emergency Contacts and tap on the one that you wish to add. You can do exactly the same for all the other ones you need. In order to remove one of your added contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, all of mine emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!